that trendy long hairstyle. But the problem is that the longer your hair gets, the more problems it causes: hair loss, dandruff, and dryness. If you don't take care of it properly, in a few years, you'll end up looking something like this. Today in this video, I'll teach you how to take care of your hair properly in 5 simple steps. Let's get started. 1. Cleansing. Here we are not only talking about discrimination, but our focus is on post-discrimination. Because of addiction, hills and dust, sweat and thickness, every day we see what we are addicted to. For the same reason, 60 words are very important. We use shampoo for this purpose. But first, we must understand one point. It doesn't matter what shampoo you use. The only job of the shampoo is to cleanse the hair and scalp. Don't wait any longer. Heavy, shine, or strengthen your moisturizing shampoo. You don't have to chew. Shampoo means discipline, only the same. How many times a week should you wash your hands? 2 to 3 times a week is enough if you do not have too much sleep or work behind the desk. But if you are too busy, travel, work in local environments, go to the gym, or do sports, now wash with a mild shampoo every day. Which shampoo is appropriate? If the post on your head is fat and you have a fat feeling without it, use shampoos with ingredients such as salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or tea tree extract. These compositions remove excess fat and impurities well. If dandruff is common, use any sulfate-free and paraben-free mild shampoo within your budget. If you have salt, use a shampoo that contains ketoconazole. This article completely abolished the counsel. Rosh Durst wash hair. Moha doesn't look like animals. Gently massage the scalp with your fingertips for 1 to 2 minutes to completely cleanse. And most importantly, even if the weather is very cold, never wash your face with hot water. Always use conventional or drowning water. What's up? Ask ChatGPT what agreement you have when the hot water appears on your post. Stage 2. Conditioning. Your hair may feel dry and rough after shampooing. The reason is that the shampoo removes the natural moisture from the hair. The brothers are doing the second soft stage until the moisture jumps and the skin becomes soft, shiny, and healthy. Correct use. After shampooing, apply extra water to hair. Soften your hair as long as possible and apply only to the legs, not the scalp. And remember not to eat 2 deceptive shampoos plus conditioners at once. Always use soft spaces. Stage 3. Drying the hair. Even drying must be done. The biggest challenge is to make your values stronger. This can cause breakage and weakening of the roots. Instead, gently stir and press until dry. The best solution is microfiber. It absorbs water better and doesn't hurt hair. If using a dryer, always avoid drowning or normal temperature. Never use hot air. Remember, never put hot water or hot air on the post. Stage 4. Oiling. The aim of the conservatives is to create moisture and creativity. These days, they also use essential serums that work similarly: moisturizing, shiny, and soft. What language do I speak? After showering and ready, apply only 2 to 3 drops to the legs and hair, not the scalp. You may hear from a child, Ruffen ra rui po serb sein. But this is a coincidence. The scalp is naturally fatty, and the highest amount of fat glands in the body is located on the scalp. But he didn't intend to add more. Of course, once a month you can get a full house with a massage. But if the post is thick, they will not be heavy and will not stay at night until morning. Just wait an hour and wait. If you are in a situation like wax, gel, pomade, or spray, use it. Make sure the post is not on contact. And if you feel bad in the morning, be sure to wake up at night before going to bed. These results are never reflected from night to morning. These may be small habits, but believe me, they can make a big difference in your hair health. Stage 5. Nutrition. The roots nourish the body from nourishment. If you have a weak diet, no shampoo or conditioner will save you. Materials that are required for health: protein, 90% of our hair is made of a protein called keratin. If you have low protein, turn it away first. Consume foods such as chicken, cheese, lentils, nuts, and soy. Saad Taghmurg is the brother of Subhana Ali.